Yesterday in the Gospel, the Lord predicted what is going to happen with Peter, that he would be martyred eventually. And therefore, in the Gospel of today, Peter was asking the Lord, what about him? And he was referring to the beloved disciple who is normally considered to be John. And the answer, the simple answer of the Lord to Peter was, mind your own business. Mind your own business. What if I want him to remain until I come? What concern is it of yours? You follow me. My dear brothers and sisters, if we analyzed, many of our problems are rooted in us not minding our own business. Masyado tayong pakialamero kung minsan. Mga bagay na hindi na natin dapat pakialaman, pinapakialaman pa. Dahil doon, pumapasok tayo sa gulo. Minding one's business means knowing your boundaries. Knowing your boundaries. Where you should place yourself. Respect. Dapat alam natin kung saan tayo dapat lumugar. Suriin nga natin ang ating mga sarili. Lahat ba ng bagay gusto kong pakialaman? Lahat ba ng bagay gusto kong malaman? We want to know everything. We want to put our finger into everything. But, however, Okay. However, it does not mean that we will not be concerned with others. It does not mean that we will become insensitive. Hindi nangangahulugan na dahil wala kang pakialam, magiging bulag ka sa pangangailangan ng ibang tao. Hindi. Meron din tayong dapat na pagmamalasakit sa kapakanan ng iba. Pero ito, hindi dapat na ipinipilit natin kung ano ang gusto natin. Because the problem sometimes is we want to help and we want to help in our own terms. No. When you go to the poor, for example, you help the poor. Sometimes NGOs, people who have good intentions, will think this is what the poor want. Not necessarily. We have to ask, what do they need? And not, what do I want? What do I think they need? Again, boundary, respect. Sa pagtulong natin, tignan natin ano yung kailangan nila o tanungin natin ano yung kailangan ninyo nang sa ganon maibigay natin ang tunay nilang pangangailangan. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, as we are on the 49th day of Easter, tomorrow will be the last day of Easter season. Let us thank the Lord for the many gifts that we receive during this Easter season. And let us take those graces with us so that we may help according to the need of the people, but at the same time, respecting boundaries. Amen.